more than 50% increase in the average package of the students. Even the highest has increased. We have got international placement consistently almost last 6 years. So that is one of the key areas where we are focusing about. Maybe IIMs, we are reaching to that average package as of now. Average package for freshers is almost 12 lakhs.
Hi guys, welcome to this session with Director Sir from SIDTM. I'll quickly introduce Sir. So Dr. CA Abhijit and 25 years of teaching experience. Sir is also certified information system auditor from Osaka, USA. Sir has been director at SIDTM from last 5 years and he's got a rich experience in consulting, finance, taxation in last 25 years. So the first thing is that when I was reading this, I got to know that you've been as a director here from last 5 years.
Correct.
From last 5 years, SIDTM has changed a lot.
True.
And whatever B schools that we have, like 10, 12, 15, 16, whatever B schools that we have, DTM is a lot talked about.
Correct.
So you guys are rocking as far as the placements are concerned, student quality is concerned, and you've been getting a lot of attention under your leadership.
True.
So the first question that me and my audience would love to understand is, what extra that you guys are doing because of which your placements are so good? So I would love to have a little idea about the average also and the finals also.
So basically, placement is really good. We have completed 26 years and we have a track record of almost 100% placements every year.
Okay.
When I talk about last 5 years experience of placements, our average has gone up by almost 50%. So I remember the average in 2016-17 was around 8.2. And if you talk about the today's average, it is 13 lakhs. So it's more than 50% increase in the average package of the students. Even the highest has increased. In fact, the highest package is almost 28 lakhs.
Okay.
If you look at summer placement, it is also doing also extremely well. It is almost 2.5 lakh rupees of highest package.
Okay.
Now there are different reasons why the placement has improved a lot. By the way, another thing is we have got international placement consistently almost last 6 years. So that is one of the key areas where we are focusing about. Now coming back to the reason why we have got good amount of placements. One thing is, as you're aware, in 2018-19 we changed the name of the institute. It is now Symbol Institute of Digital and Telecom Management.
Right. Earlier it was telecom management.
Correct. Earlier it was only telecom management, so it provides the sectoral professionals. Now we are omnipresent. So our students can be placed in almost all the sectors. That is one. So it is not restricting to telecom. Second thing, if you look at the current trends, specifically during pandemic and post-pandemic, most of the companies are moving toward digital transformation.
Okay.
So they are adopting digital skills, and that is one of the prerequisites which is already present in our students. So I think other B schools are adapting to the technology, whereas in our case, technology is a DNA. Is in our DNA. Okay?
Very true.
And it's a combination of technology plus management, both. It is not pure technology, it is not pure management. And I think that is helping us a lot. We are getting good attraction from the companies. So if I give you a few statistics, as I told you, the highest has already gone to 20 to 29 lakhs.
For this year?
Yeah, 20. Nice. International placement is still there. Okay.
So this 29 or 28 that we're talking about, that's a domestic one?
It's a domestic package.
That's a very good number, by the way. Yeah. And we are not talking about international as of now?
No, not at all.
But that's on the plate, by the way.
Correct.
Perfect.
Second part is, if you look at the average package of the company, of the institute, it is almost 13 lakhs. If I compare it with baby IIMs, now we are reaching to that.
I was about to say that.
Baby IIMs, we are reaching to that average package as of now. Now, where is the value addition? Value addition, I feel it is typically for freshers, it's a good part. I'll explain why. The average package for freshers is almost 12 lakhs. So student who doesn't have a work ex. Now understand, the student is coming from different backgrounds. I think there is one misconception about SIDTM that we get only engineers or science background. Answer is no. We are getting students, bright students. Those who have got a BCom, BA. Last year we have got architect also. Now we are converting those professions into digital era by adding this technology plus management courses.
Fantastic.
And those students, if you look at freshers, now he is getting an average package of almost 12 lakhs. I think it's a good journey for a fresher, and that's a value addition from the institute.
Very true.
Another part for those who got a work ex, we have observed in at least last 2 years, their average package has increased by 300%.
Wow. Okay.
So if I talk in terms of numbers, 300% rise for a work ex guy is definitely a value addition to him or her. So that is one part. If you look at the companies, those who are visiting SIDTMs in last 5 years, apart from international recruiters, we have got Accenture Strategy, we have got Bain Capability Network.
Yeah, this year Bain came on the
campus. Yeah, that's a plus point. They have recruited both for finals as well as summers.
Right.
You got obviously being from telecom domain, we have got Voice, we have got other telecom operators, all big consulting 4 firms. It may be EY, Deloitte, KPMG. So all four consulting, PwC for that matter. We have got also all IT companies who are working into this digital domain as well as technology domain.
Right. Even big fours are now moving towards the digital.
Correct. In fact, one part last year we finished our placement in hardly 3 weeks.
Wow. Superb.
Yeah, so I think that's the plus point for us in terms of placement, which has improved in last almost 5 years.
Yeah, that's your leadership. That's where I stated, right? We've done a lot of changes in the last 5 years.